Hi guys, today we're going to change the screen on an iPhone 6. As you see, we have purchased the screen from Amazon. The link will be in the description. So first of all, as you see what comes with this screen replacement, we have two screwdrivers, we have a pin tool, a prying tool, suction tool, and two more prying tools. We also have, this is for the SIM card tray. Here we have the replacement screen. Note that the finger sensor or the touch security sensor will only work with the original screen button. Otherwise, this replacement will just work as a home button. We have a magnet tray to put the screws. As you see, this magnet. They also send a screen protector. And that's about it. Also, these two wipes to clean the screen. So first, we'll take out these two screws here. Press it on the magnet tray. Then we take the suction and place it on the screen. As this screen is damaged so much, we will have to take off the screen protector layer, carefully pry it out. Just put that aside. Let's try and see if the suction will work with the broken glass. So you place it on the glass, the screen, take your thumb and gently pry the screen. You see it's lift off there. Gently pry it. Be very careful. Open it. Don't open from this side, open from the home button side. And gently raise it up. Do not raise more than 45. As you will see, these 5 screws here we will be removing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll be using this Phillip head tip. Just remember the order of the screw placement, so when you have to put it back, as all the screws have different sizes. Then gently pry these cables off. One. Could use this prying tool. 2, 3, 4. Right, so this replacement screen, as you see, it comes with everything, the earpiece, all the cables and the home button, so there's no need to replace or to switch over anything from the old screen. So now we're going to install the new screen. A good idea before replacing the screen is to disconnect your battery. So we will disconnect the battery and battery cable. Alright, after disconnecting the battery and the battery cable, now place the screen first. Alright, so you place this first cable here. The cable is in order. The first cable goes here, second one here, third one over here, and the fourth one. So let's place the first cable in. Make sure you hear the click. Second cable in. Third cable here. And the fourth cable over here. Press it gently, make sure you hear the click and all the cables are in. And then replace the cover. This is basically to hold the cables in place. You take the screws one by one. This is how put them in order. And there we go. It's all set. It's time to close the screen first. When you're closing the screen, you'll see there are two grooves here, two slots. Make sure that closing first. When you're closing on the screen, you'll see that it is evenly across here. There's no space. And then you gently press the screen to the side. Gently. Do not force, gently press the screen in. Do not press the center, press the side gently. As you see, everything is covered. Then we replace these screws with the start screwdriver. Next one. Good, and that's it. We're done. There's a protective coating over the screen, so let's take off that. You need to take off that to put in your screen protector. These wipes are for removing dirt from the screen, so that when you place the screen protector, it doesn't have any dust. So we use these wipes, clean it gently. And then the second one, this is a wet wipes, and this other pink one is a dry wipes. This came with the screen replacement. So you dry the screen. Make sure it's properly well dry. Now we will place this tempered glass screen protector. As you will see here, please peel off this mask before application. So we'll take out this first, put it aside, and we'll take our time and place the screen protector. First you have to line it up with the earpiece, the camera at the front, and also the home button at the bottom. So you place it and then slowly release it and tap the home button. And then you press it gently. You can use the same wipes. Move it off here and gently press it. Making sure there are no air bubbles. Just small air bubbles to the side, just smooth it off. And gently press it with your hands. That they will come out of the side of the screen. Okay guys, that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's very easy to change an iPhone 6 screen. I'll put the link in the description. Please like and subscribe. We'll turn it on so that you'll see it works. You can see touch is working, no SIM card install, activation ID, everything looks perfect.